naritan na ko do. Kaya kayo amin. I am very thankful to all of you for this singular privilege to be your guest speaker. Witnessing the momentous event for this graduating class, I would like to express my deepest thanks because of the overwhelming introduction that revealed my attributes. Though I am only a mere public servant and I'm not a very successful one. Before I go up stage, I was completely amazed to witness the complete metamorphosis of Pugo Elementary School. Tas na ibagangon na yung unana. It's really a show of the barangay displaying a gigantic change which spells success. Now, I realize that success is not a matter of chance. It is not a matter of destiny, but it's a matter for how you work for it. To achieve this, you must sacrifice. And persevere. Learn to love your work and learn to do your responsibilities. Be humble, because humility is a solid foundation of all virtues. It is the ability to give your pride and retain the cleanliness of your dignity. It is the true wisdom by which we prepare our minds for the possible changes in life. A year's name, the graduate, a partner towards transformational society, an answer to societal change. It is a timely point of view because of so many changes happening in our society. Agad ito magbaliw, di ba mas pasamak sa kalubungan. Panagbaliw, di kasal, di panagbiag. Panagbaliw, di nakaparaswaan. Pas global warming, el niño que es la niña, kastamin, tinakama-amak ng internet, ang mas pasamak sa kalubungan. What is the implication to us graduates? Importante kami, nagkikita ang mahanap, kada kayo mag-upay. Well, importante na ito eh. Because you are the future leaders to safeguard our nation from any anxiety. You must study hard in order to be globally competitive, contributory to the building of a healthy and productive society. Saan na hindras kanya yung ringan di panagbulan, tapno makabasa kayo. Ano ti high school ni Ballesteros? So, ang basa kayo ni high school,